Hi everyone, it's James and welcome to the first Aerobotics quarterly product release of 2026. This quarter, we focused around the harvest timing for growers. And the reason this is so important is because growers spend all their input costs and all their effort over 6 to 9 months to produce the crop. And there's only one time to harvest. So getting that harvest timing correct and monitoring teams and the quality that they're picking at is so critical. So we've worked on two main updates. The first is enhancing our grade tool to build a search functionality where you can search for fruit that match your retail programs. So for example, if you're looking for large navels of high quality, you can use these tools to find which fields have that fruit. The second update is enhanced AI into our bin scan product to not only measure fruit size, structure, color, and quality, but also the picking quality metrics, such as detecting long stems and pulls on the fruit. And lastly, we know the teams during harvest are extremely busy and out in the field often, so we've made the data sharing simpler than ever, and customers able to share our data from the app straight through WhatsApp to those teams out in the field. So let's dive into a live product demo of these updates. First, the updates on our grade filtering tool, where you can search for fruit out in the field. So as a reminder, our grade product tracks the fruit size, color, and quality through the season. So this table here shows the development of fruit size and color, but it also shows a deep dive of these metrics per block. What we've added here is a harvest metrics tab, which then shows an overview of this the size, blemishes, and color, and allows you to search through this fruit to find what you're looking for. So let's say we're looking for navels. We can filter for that section. We are looking for fruit of full color, so we put on that color category, and we're looking for navels that are at a count 72 and above, and we click that. That then finds the fruit in each block that matches those criteria. So for example here, block number 6 has 70% of the fruit that match that criteria. So we know that if we send the teams in to harvest that fruit, they're going to be harvesting the correct fruit we need for our retail programs. The second big update is when you then harvest that fruit into the bins, you want to make sure that the teams are picking according to the specifications that you've asked them to and at the right quality in terms of the picking injuries or leaving long stems. So we've enhanced our bin scan product to do that. As a reminder, bin scan is a single photograph of the fruit in the bins, and it will then look through these images, essentially detect each fruit, measure its size, color, and quality. And the addition we've added now is it'll also analyze each stem and determine if that's a good pick or a long stem, a pull, or a plug. So quite an exciting update. It does it all automatically through the new AI update. Let me show you some examples of that. So firstly, it classifies the quality of that fruit. So it looks at how much fruit is unblemished through to severely blemished. It analyzes the color and the size, but now also it determines the picking quality. So for example, here, these are pulled stems. They're 19% of these fruit in this batch with these pulled or plugged stems. And it'll also do long stems. So it's 4% of fruit in this batch, which has long stems on the fruit there, which could obviously damage other fruit in this bin. So I think a very exciting update for growers and harvesting teams. These small percentages that can be gained during the harvest process make sure that we maintain that high quality of fruit that we put all of that effort in through the season to produce. And then we know these harvest teams are extremely busy out in the field, so we've made this data more shareable than ever by allowing you to just send this to someone via WhatsApp. So I'll open the app and show you. I've gone into the reporting section and pulled up one of the reports of fruit growth out in the field and click the share button on the top right, WhatsApp, select my contact, and it goes through to them with a little summary. If they then open WhatsApp on their side, they get the little summary there, the PDF report, and they can zoom in to see that data and action it. And that's it for this quarter's update. We're working extremely hard to enhance our infield product as well as our bin scan product, making even further enhancements there. So if you'd like a demo of this, either online or on your own farm, you get in touch with us through the website or message me directly. Thank you.